Bowling off with cricket, defending ISSA T20 champions Woolmer's boys take on the nation's only unbeaten schoolboy team this year, St Elizabeth Technical, in the first semi-final of the ISSA TVJ T20 competition at Savannah Park. The contest will be a repeat of last year's final, while the second semi pits high-flying Manchester High against Excelsior.
Woolmer's boys oozed into the semi-final by crushing Mayday High by 112 runs in their final Super 8 clash and preserved their push to retaining the trophy. The Woolmerians overcame that hurdle, but there is a tougher obstacle next, and that is St Elizabeth Technical High School, who have an impregnable record so far.
We have been dominating schoolboy cricket for quite a bit of time, and there will come a time when we will lose, so we don't have to go into the game with any tension on our back and stuff like that. We just have to go there and try to play to the best of our ability, and don't play our opponent, but just play our own game. And once we are able to do that, then it simply means that I think that we will come out on top again against Woolmer.
Yeah, it's going to be another game of cricket, a team that prepare well and prepare for that semi-final. We're going to go in, getting some work in over the next week, hopefully, but the boys are ready, we are in good nick, and I think some of the guys are coming through at perfect timing.
Meanwhile, in the second semi-final, Manchester High, who stayed perfect in Super 8 phase, take on Excelsior High, who recovered from their opening round defeat to Stets. It's a repeat of last year's third-place playoff that Excelsior won. But for Manchester High's captain Sanjay Walker, getting into the final is just another step for his players.
We have to go back to the drawing board, put in some hard training and try to execute what we have learned.
But one thing for sure, they are aggressive with the bat, and once they are aggressive, they'll also give opportunities as long as they bowl in the right areas. And if we do that, then we can dismiss them for whatever apology total. But Manchester is a very good cricketing school. They are taught by an excellent coach, Barnes, this father, and they'll come to play good cricket. And if we don't improve, then the result might not go in our favour. But we are very, very glad to give ourselves the opportunity to continue to play in the competition.
Live coverage of the first semi-final will be on TVJ and Hits 92 FM, with TVJ TVJ and Hits 92 FM having coverage of the second contest at 2 p.m. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.